Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Neff from That's TechBits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today I'm going to be tearing apart Action Max. That's right, some of you aren't going to remember this at all. I didn't until I found this unit at a yard sale. Geez, probably about 20 years ago. It's been hanging out in the attic. I managed to start cleaning out the attic, start finding a little bit, and yeah, I want to do a teardown of this unit. Now, first off, it's interesting. You have to tell if you're black or you're white, or if there's two players and what color they are. Yeah, it's interesting. But yeah, let's get into this. So this unit was made back in, geez, was it 1985-ish? And it actually went to bat with Nintendo. It was a strange system because it required you to use a VCR tape. No, sorry, 1987. Sourcing International Limited, Hong Kong, all rights reserved. Let's see if they got any under here. One sec. So yeah, you had to use a VCR, and you had to use a light gun. And then once you had everything going, you never really won or lost the game. Wow, it's hard to get this thing apart. This thing was made very nicely. There's a lot of plastics that over time they degrade, they screw up. Like Super Nintendo systems, you often find those in lots of different crazy colors because the fire retardant material within the plastic changed colors, making it yellow. This thing really doesn't take a lot of power. 9-volt DC. Yeah, you could just have your batteries there. It should be said how remarkably priced the batteries were, though. I'm pretty sure they were batteries then were manufactured within North America. And I don't know about you guys, but geez, I think it was $5.99 in 1988 for 4 AA Duracells. We had Energizer in Canada being manufactured just down the way, but it was not cheap. I was talking to people who worked in there telling me about the lithium batteries being kept behind gates and whatnot. Man, that was a long time ago. I don't even quite remember when that place closed. But anyways, I think I should be able to open it up now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see all the hardware we have behind here. Whoa, and there it is. That's it. That's it. Huh. Let's get this thing out. Ooh, you can smell it. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like old Radio Shack. Like super old Radio Shack. I wonder if there are any... Is that all? Okay, it seems like the motherboard and daughter board were both soldered together and then screwed in. I really wonder if this was soldered by hand over in Hong Kong. That would have been... Oh, wow, it's a crazy looking motherboard. I bet this was all soldered by hand. Look at everything we got going on here. We got the switches. There it is. That'll be the chip. That'll be the main chip right there. And they put it like that, I hear, because sometimes they need different types of chips. They'll have different units depending on what factory runs they get. And they will put the chip there, basically. Didn't take a lot to run one of these. It's a JRC3900N. The Video Max system. That's right. And that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Neff from That's TechBits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, will you?